Welcome to another SnapLogic video. Snaplexes are the runtime engines of the SnapLogic Platform. Let's see how to check Snaplex health in Monitor. We open the system overview from the infrastructure link. The default graph view shows all Snaplexes defined in the environment. Active nodes have usage graphs. We can filter the view to show only active or inactive nodes. Icons differentiate between feedmaster and execution nodes. Color-coded bars and carets show usage for memory, CPU, and disk space at a glance. Green indicates values up to 45%. Yellow indicates up to 75%. Red indicates over 75%. In this case, CPU usage at one point spiked. The Snaplex with the highest values moves to the top left. We can hover over the node to view the actual percentages. We'll click the node to view its details. The header includes information on the Snaplex version, how long the node has been running, and characteristics of the host. The Associated Executions tab displays running and completed executions. The status shows us that this execution completed successfully. The Metrics tab includes more graphs. Here we can see that spike in CPU utilization that made this Snaplex move to the top in the graph view. We could open these graphs in the Metrics view to perform further analysis, but that's the subject of a different video. If there were any node alerts, they would show here. Node alerts are generated during initialization when the node encounters an issue. The Additional Details tab includes the node's IP address and URI. The Node Diagnostics table shows the results of diagnostics. For configurable parameters, red values indicate settings outside of the recommended value. This gives us actionable information. We can increase the max heap size and add disk storage. Before we close the Node Details panel, we'll click the Settings icon. From here, we can restart this node or put it in maintenance mode. Back to the main page, let's take a look at the list view. The Snaplexes with active nodes display at the top of the table. This is the table configuration control. Here, we can change the row spacing, select the columns to display, and filter columns. Click Apply to accept the changes. Finally, we'll click on a Snaplex to view its details. The header includes when the Snaplex was created, last updated, the version number, the owner, and the number of execution and feedmaster nodes. This link opens graphs that plot all Snaplex nodes. The Node List tab displays information about the nodes. The Alerts tab displays initialization alerts, if any. The Activity Logs tab shows events such as the addition of a node. The Settings icon contains possible actions for the Snaplex. In this case, we could restart the Snaplex. The Restart option is also available from the Action menu in the Table view. This option restarts all Snaplex nodes. In summary, Monitor's system overview offers a window into Snaplex health. Visual clues make it easy to confirm normal operations and spot anomalies. Node and Snaplex detail panes provide quick links to related executions and metric graphs. Node diagnostics highlight actionable configuration errors. Thanks for watching.